What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're gonna go over our friend Matic, currently seeing $1.16, up 0.89 on the day. Seeing market cap of 10.07, 24-hour volume 593 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, grab with the 8K bonuses or Bybit. This is where I do my trading and investing, mostly on Bitget. Check out my full link tutorials. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Matic. So we pulled back to our wave C pullback zone, bounced off 108. So if we can start to see a 5-wave impulse to the upside, we could potentially start to push up in the wave 3, which would have a technical target if we take our trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top, ABC'd into a 2. Wave 3 target would be up here at $1.68. So if we zoom in, let's see how many waves we have on the micro. Yeah, it looks like 3 waves so far. Well, you have a 1, 2, 3, pull back in a 4. Hopefully you'd push up in a 5. You'd hold the wave 2 pullback and see continuation. Otherwise, we can, of course, break lower. But I do think this was an overshooting wave B, so there is a good chance we push up from here. But if we do break out lower, then just look for us to hold that $1 support for Matic. We are underneath the daily EMAs, so we do need to see Matic get back above them, hold those daily EMAs if we're going to see continuation to the upside. And of course, I've been showing you guys on the weekly chart, we're about to print that bullish cross. And as you can see, we're just consolidating above the 20 and the 55 EMA. So as long as we can do that and we can print the bullish cross on the weekly, we can see that continuation to the upside. And as I mentioned, just watch this large rising wedge pattern for our friend Matic. Ethereum currently retested our inverse head and shoulders, is starting to bounce. If we break that high, that could be a good sign of continuation to the upside. We bounced right off our wave 2 pullback zone, the 50% retracement. Looks like 3 waves up for ETH as well. So if we can create a 5-wave move, if we can break that high, we hold the pullback, and then we can see beautiful continuation to the upside in a wave 3, and I'll give you a target for that with our trend-based extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top. Bottom wave 2 target the 1.618 at 2157 would be the target for a wave 3 if we do start to break out from here. All right, gang, so that's it for this little update. Look for Matic to get above these hourly EMAs. Look for that 5-wave move and it to hold the wave 2 pullback, and you see continuation. If we break down, we lose this low, then $1 is the key support that we need to hold. Currently, we're in a juicy trade in the Discord that's in profits. I gave Signal completely free access to all other chat rooms if you sign up to one of the exchanges. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays. Same price as a Netflix subscription. And W burger with onion rings, and you'll get more value. It's better for your health to check out the Discord. Sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.